theatre, aquarium, campsite, fun fair, theatre, aquarium, campsite, fun fair.
Hi, Mai. I didn't see you at the campsite yesterday. Where were you?
I was at home. My cousins came to visit.
Were all your family at home?
Yes, we were. We listened to music and cooked lunch together.
1.
Were you at the fun fair yesterday?
Yes, we were.
2.
Were you and your cousins at the theatre?
No, we weren't. We were at the sports centre.
3.
I didn't see you and Mai at the gym. Where were you?
We were at the campsite.
4.
Was your brother at home yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
Where was he?
He was at the aquarium.